Okay then. Hello everyone. Lil Wickens here with another video, and today we're going to look at graphing. So, we've been representing patterns and relationships so far. Let's say patterns and graphing. So, we've been representing patterns and relationships between variables in equations and table of values. So I could have y is equal to, let's say, 2x plus 3. That's a relationship between x and y, x being the kind of input and y being the output. If I made a table of values here, testing some random numbers, then here, since y is 2x plus 3, I could substitute these values into that equation and get 2 times 1 plus 3, which would give me 2 plus 3, which is 5. Substituting 2 into there would give me 2 times 2 plus 3, which is 4 plus 3, which is 7. And now I see these are going up by 2 each time. This is going to go up by 2, so the next one's going to go up by 2, so this is going to be 9, 11, and 13. So that's my table of values, and that's my equation for this relationship. So the last way that we can represent this is in a graph. So I will move this over a little bit, and on a graph here, I'm going to put that information on here. I'm actually going to put the origin a little further to the left, just so I have more space. So all I'm doing is I'm just looking more at the first quadrant here. So I'm going to put on this axis y and this axis, or x, and on this axis y. You can think of this as kind of the input and the output again. So if I start putting some ticks on here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe we can do that. I could make them further apart if I wanted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe that's a little better. And now I need to get to 13. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to keep going here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to put this information on the graph, all I have to do is simply look at these ordered pairs, you can think of them as, and put them on here. So I have an x value of 1, that's right here, and a y value of 5, that's up here. So this point is going to be my first one. My next one is 2 and 7, so I go over to 2, and then I go up to 7. So that's going to be something like right there, maybe. The next one, 3 and 9, I go to 3 on the x-axis, and I go up to 9, which is going to be maybe right there. And then I go 4, 11, which is going to be 4 and 11 right there. And then the last one, which is 5 and 13. This is done a lot nicer on graph paper because it's more uniform and it's more, everything's spaced out nicely. But you can see how this kind of creates that straight line right there. So once again, this describes, we learned a new term, this describes a linear relation. And you can see that word line in the word linear to mean kind of that line that shows up on the graph. So all of these represent the same information, and you can go from here to here and here to here or here to here, and it's hard. You won't learn this until later, but you can actually go straight from the equation to the graph. So that's how we represent the information in lots of different ways. So, there you have that. And I'll see you in the next video, or in class. Have a good night. Oh, dang it.